Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the top 5 ways to gain healthy weight. If you're someone who struggles to put on weight or you're looking to build muscle mass, then this video is for you. So let's get started. Calorie surplus. This means eat more calories than you burn. This is the first and most important step to gaining healthy weight. This means you need to eat more food than your body needs to maintain its current weight. You can calculate your daily calorie needs using an online calculator and then add 500 to 1,000 calories to that number in order to gain weight. Nutrients. Focus on nutrient-dense foods. When you're trying to gain weight, it's important to focus on these types of foods because they provide your body with necessary vitamins and minerals. Some examples of nutrient-dense foods include whole grains, lean proteins, fruits, veggies, and healthy fats. Eat frequently. Eating frequently throughout the day can help you consume more calories and gain weight. Aim to eat 5 to 6 small meals per day rather than 3 large meals. This will help you avoid feeling too full and make it easier to consume more calories. I'll let you in on a little secret. The trick to achieving this on a busy schedule is to meal prep ahead of time. Strength training. Strength training is essential for building muscle mass and gaining healthy weight. Focus on compound exercises such as squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. These work multiple muscle groups at once. Aim to lift heavy weights and gradually increase the weight over time. This is called progressive overload. Get enough rest. Finally, getting enough rest is crucial for gaining healthy weight. Your body needs time to recover and repair after strength training sessions, so make sure you aim to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. And there you have it, the top 5 ways to gain healthy weight. Remember, gaining weight takes time and patience, so don't get discouraged if you don't see results right away. Stick to a healthy diet, strength train regularly, and get enough rest. And you'll be on your way to a healthier and stronger you in no time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks that you and everyone else need to know.